This window camera captures a dangerously close pass by a rogue aircraft releasing persistent chemical trails that appear to be released out of direct proximity to the engine exhaust. This risky stunt maneuver would be a violation of FAA rules for traffic separation. Then another four-engine rogue aircraft passes very close below the camera again, releasing black carbonaceous plumes very close to the jet engine exhaust. And then next we see two more rogue aircraft passing each other much too closely at nearly the same altitude as they release carbonaceous aerosol plumes, a concept for climate modification proposed by Dr. William Gray in 1974 in a paper entitled, quote, Weather Modification by Carbon Dust Absorption of Solar Energy, unquote. We see these and numerous other sightings that establish climate modification programs have been secretly deployed for years, but that the results have never been reported by IPCC investigators involved in publishing the science for climate change.